Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this is Asad Yaqub and this video is actually warning for you all. What do we call it? Chetavani. Okay? This is a warning video. Well, if you try to get Ielts certificate by unfair means or by cheating the system, by tampering the system, even after getting the result, your test results may be cancelled anytime. I've got a good example. Very recently, some Asian students who went to Canada and they had achieved 6.5 band in Ielts and they were in Canada. They got admission on the basis of their Ielts test. Now, they decided to go to America because they thought America is better than Canada and all that stuff. But the way they chose to travel to America, that was illegal. And then they were caught and they were brought to the court. When they appeared in front of the judge, they failed to speak English. And the judge was quite skeptical. The judge thought, how come a candidate who got 6.5 in Ielts is unable to speak English? Because they saw their credentials, they saw their certificates, and there was that Ielts TRF that showed 6.5. Then that American judge, American court, they requested their home country to look into this case, that how come a student with 6.5 band score in Ielts, because Ielts is a very difficult test. Those who can speak good English, even they get 6, 5.5 and all that. So how come a student who got 6.5 in speaking is unable to say anything in front of the court? And then they started looking into it and all that, and now chances are that their Ielts test result is going to be cancelled. So the point is, if you try to get Ielts done using unfair means, I have another story, a similar story. Another student, he went to UK, right? And he had this fake Ielts degree, fake Ielts certificate. And by means of some things, he cheated the system and he reached there. Right? A fake, the TRF was not fake, but in the test, he tempered the system and he got reasonable band score and he went to UK. After 5 years, like he settled in UK, he got the job there, he completed his education, he was well settled in UK, and then they realized that on that test day, the system was tempered and the results are actually biased, and this is not actually the caliber of the student. So they cancelled his Ielts test and that student was deported from UK. See that? If you get Ielts done by unfair means, you will always have this fear that anytime if they find out that my Ielts test result is fake, or it was like the Ielts test result was achieved by tampering the system, they may cancel your Ielts TRF anytime, even if when it gets expired. So my advice is, please work hard to get your desired band in Ielts, right? Don't look for anything which is unfair, which is foul, because eventually one day you are going to be caught and then your test result is going to be cancelled, and that can bring you too much trouble, too much problem. 6.5 band is not difficult to achieve if you guys watch my videos. So please be careful. There is no number 2 of Ielts. There is no way of getting real Ielts certificate by unreal means. I'm telling you now. So please be careful. I just made this video to warn you all. Sometimes you become very happy that money can buy everything, but money cannot buy Ielts certificate. Okay? Only your hard work, only your smart work, only your English language skill can buy you Ielts certificate. All the best. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.